Hi, this is John with WTI. And this is one of the sets that has improving a lot my smile and my teeth overall. So this is a Gloridea Teeth Whitening Strips. And one of the things that I like the most about these whitening strips is how easy it works just before going to sleep. You brush your teeth, you do your tongue scraping, and you try to use a towel to dry your teeth out. And there's two sections of this whitening strips that goes one in the top and one in the bottom. You would let them sit there for what, 30 to 45 minutes. And after that, you peel them out. And after a few days, maybe a week, like I've been doing, I've been finding some great results. So obviously, not all of our teeth are gonna look the same. Sometimes they're one of them, they can look whiter than the other. But what this is actually helping me with is just that it's whitening everyone. And I've already got some great comments on this, like how do you keep your smile so white or things like that. So this is the guy if you really want to try some great whitening strips, and it's mint flavor. It's not gonna be like you're gonna have a weird plastic around your gums and your teeth. So this just works great. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.